Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on VIVO V2023. And to do this we'll need to find the speakers on this device, and the first one is on the bottom right here. Next one is on the top right here, and that's a phone call speaker, and that's basically it. Now to determine if that's a stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Now let's try it out. So clearly sound is coming only from a bottom speaker, and that means this phone doesn't have stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.